Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Gibson in Georgia on this RCI-2995. Gibson, we got it ready to go for you. Put your digital turbo echo right there. There's also a switch in the back to turn the amp on and off, which won't be needed for your application. Start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. It will turn down to 5 watts. That way you have full adjustability with that straight 8. Go to the 500 watt slug. As you can see, it turns up to about 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Here, roll it back down. Hello. 80 bird. Go to peak power. Hello. A little over 200 peak. Now Gibson, this has got the upgraded power supply in it. It also has the better 1446 transistors, and I think this will work out great for you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.